this came out of there. Morning guys, I've hit a patch of wet rot on the windows that I'm mending at the minute. It's pretty bad. As you can see, I've dug a lot of the wet wood out, and I'm just going to show you guys how to fix it for beginners on this sort of thing. Anyone who hasn't done this sort of thing before, it's quite an easy process, quite a satisfying process. So let's fix some wet rot. So we get that whole section, and then when you open the door, it's all rotted away here as well. So this is one of those ones where the window looked sound before I started poking my fingers into things. It looked really nice, and I thought this is going to be an easy job. So I didn't have anything that I actually need from the shop, so we're off to the DIY store to get what we need to fix this problem. Bigger can though. That might just about do it though. Okay, we're back. I've got what we need, but this door's got a big hole in it where it's all rotted away. And I did pour some wood hardener into this yesterday, so the door is hardened and ready to fill. But before I do harden this part, I'm going to have to take the door off to do this part. So I'm just going to take the door off quickly, and then we'll get back to fixing this part. Okay, window removed, so you can now just see the extent of what I'm going to have to fill. We'll also use a filler in around this. So you can see that I've just wedged the door in the corner there so it doesn't fall over, which means I can work on it quite easily. Hello! Seal wood hardener. So the way this works is it absorbs into the wood. It's got acetone in it, so it evaporates off, and that kind of soft wood is going to become rock hard. It takes about 2 hours to dry. That's what it says on the tin, but I'll probably leave it a little bit longer than that. While that's drying, I'll then fix the rot on the door that I've taken off. So let's get this on first. Bit too much here, but you know, I overspilled it. Thankfully it's in a recess, and I can use it on the bits that are up above here that need hardened as well.
I'll make you a coffee now.
That would be amazing. Thank you so much, Tony. Do you want to be on camera?
Not a lot.
Not a lot. Fair enough. Thank you. I had already applied some wood hardener in through the hole here, but discovered that the rot kind of goes down the door a little bit, so I'm going to have to add some more wood hardener, which sets me back by another 2 hours because I'm going to have to wait before I can fill this. I've got some other things I can get on with in the meantime, so let's just get this wood hardened. Hello. Oh, thank you.
Hope I haven't made it too strong for you.
Ah, never too strong. Coffee. Thank you.
Is that all right?
It's perfect. Yeah. Thank you. Ah, spot on. Thank you. Cheers, Tony. Ah, yes. I just remembered that I hardened this section yesterday so I can get started with a filling on this window while those bits are drying. So, 2-part wood filler from Ronseal. This stuff is amazing. I love it. So basically you want roughly a proportion of about a golf ball size amount of filler to a pea-sized amount of hardener. You also want your gloves. And now I need to just fill the remainder of it so that it's nice and flat. So I've done this in 3 separate stages so far. I fill a bit, let it go hard, and then fill it again, let it go hard, and then fill it again. So that you just have a real good structure with no bubbles inside. You basically just want it to be solid the whole entire way through. I don't know if I mentioned it yet, but this 2-part filler is a heat reaction, it's an exothermic reaction, and I can actually feel the heat coming off that. So the first set of filling has gone rock hard, but it's still really, really hot. Yeah, can't keep my fingers on there too long, that's just how hot it gets. It gets quite hot. Anyway, let's fill the rest of it. This is what it looks like before sanding. Rock solid again. That's me for today. So maybe I'll give you some after shots here at the end. If you enjoyed what I did today, maybe you can check out my other YouTube channel, which is called Nat1 Videos, where I build miniature models. You might enjoy that as well. So yeah, link in the description below, and there'll be another video along shortly. Cheers, bye.